Hi guys, so I am back again and this is my second YouTube video. Yay! We'll be talking about 5 tips, handy tips that you can use to engage your followers on Instagram using Instagram recently introduced a new feature which allows people to use GIFs to make their Instagram videos more interactive, and this is a feature that I feel that you should use often if you want to engage more people on your feed. The best way to use GIFs is to think of the message you want to pass across. Now if you want to say something funny or something more engaging than just putting text to your Instagram stories, using the GIF feature is something you should definitely try. I always like to use the new font kits because I feel like they're so amazing, and it's a very new and exciting way to actually share stuff on Instagram stories. So instead of using your plain text, you could always use the new stylized font kits and then make your message more visually appealing. Now you could also make use of your graphic design apps like Photoshop or Canva. Like I use Canva and Photoshop a lot, but Canva more because I can use it on my phone. So you can use Canva to design personalized images that you can post to your Instagram stories. So if you have a new product you are promoting or a new information you want to share, or something that you want your fans to know about, instead of just drawing on Insta stories, you can always input your image, your well-prepared image on Insta stories. So that's a good way to engage more fans. Also, you can also use your Instagram stories as a storyboard. Now imagine if you have like awesome content, and instead of just posting text or posting images, you go about like telling an interesting and engaging story, asking people to swipe to see more, just basically engaging them instead of posting barely like you normally do. And then last but not the least, one helpful tip I feel that people should use more on Instagram stories is, drumroll, boomerang. Boomerangs are awesome. Boomerangs are important. Like a lot of people seem to have forgotten that they can actually use it on their Instagram stories. It makes for a more fun and quirky way to pass your information on your Instagram stories. If you want more tips on how to use Instagram and other apps for your businesses online, go to www.onyblogs. On how to use Instagram and other apps for your businesses online, go to www.onyblogs.com. www.onyblogs.com. So till next time, I will be vlogging from my phone again. And in case you were wondering what phone I'm using a Samsung S7 Edge. I'm not doing any more editing. I don't need to edit that much. I mean, this is a homemade video. It's not supposed to be too designed. When I have the time, I will do more. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am looking at making this a permanent project. See you later.